Hello everyone, welcome to my 15th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In previous tutorial we will discussing about how to importing your 3D models and how to rendering it. In this tutorial we will see the manga and cartoon effects. In the Lumion, technical illustration are drawings that used to illustrate how to something works assembled. The goal is to visualize your communicate and explain accomplished by using conventional drawings. Technical illustration as name state that architectural visualization, but they are not essential part of any project. In this, most of clients will not ask for this kind of information, but in use of applications such as Revit, it is not difficult to provide sections, elevations and even plants with nice effect, and this can you give an edge to the service of your provide. You to affect that perfect for these categories of illustration are manga and cartoon with help of other effect. One of these effects can help us to correct perspective of our camera by adding manga effect. To apply this effect and give cartoon effect of your scene, perform two following steps. Go to the movie or photo mode and add two new effect for this. You need to click the new effect which we can find at top left corner on the screen. From the Artistic tab, select the manga effect. Then on viewport you can see what this effect obtained or more cartoonish scene with enjoyable colors. Here is the screenshot for the manga effect. In the manga effect, simultaneous the animation style popular in Japan. With this effect, you can make colors pop and achieve a strong emphasis on the straight line and the form of your model. Then, the cartoon option places your model and animation word with the softened colors and clear distinction about spaces. Remaining part we will discuss in next tutorial. Thank you.